Okay, open the curtains. Okay, this is Ralph the Wolf saying thanks for using the show selector, and we'll be happy to do the selection that you've chosen today. And remember, we do work on tips only, so if you'll just come up and pad Ralph's tip jar here, I'll see the rest of the guys get their share, and
We're not supposed to be trying to get tips from people, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, we do these shows for free, and we do whatever show you want us to do for pushing the buttons on the show selector.
Earl, I'm sure they'd be happy to tip us.
Rolf, come on, can it, bruh?
The name of this song is
Oh my God, we've had fun. Down on the farm, we had a Oh my God, we've had fun.